How you can make money on YouTube with AI influencers full tutorial. Imagine scrolling through your social media and stumbling upon an influencer who never sleeps, never eats, and never gets tired of creating content. For example, this one to our 300k of followers. It's powered by AI, and as you can see, it's an AI influencer. That means it doesn't exist, and it's followed by real people. So as you can see, this is the pictures, a lot of likes, comments, and you can create yours too, and you can start getting money with it. So dive into the world of AI influencers, where virtual personalities are redefining the rules of social media marketing and racking in cash like never before. This is the power of AI influencers. You don't have to show your face, you don't have to do the voiceover, you don't have even to write the script, and a lot of AI influencers earns millions of dollars. In this video, I'll show you how to create one and how to earn money with it. So first step you need to do is or you need to start your video on YouTube using AI influencer is creating your AI character. You don't have actually to create it because we have here AI or hygiene.com. It's an AI based tool that can be used to generate AI characters. So all you have to do is open your web browser and type hygiene.com. As you can see here, we have two options to get started. So you can choose the one you want, and then you can start entering your email, your verification code, and you will answer for a few questions, then you can start. Here we have a lot of options, so you can choose the one you want. We have here use cases, features, resources, company, pricing. For use cases or features, you can find a lot of things that you can get more information about and can help you to more understand the website. For example, here we have AI avatar, AI voices, video translate, personalized video, streaming, avatar, zipper, so we can get more information from features or the other options that we saw now. So we can scroll down over here, you'll find AI character explaining something. Actually, it's an introduction of the website. As you can see, this is the script, and if we more scroll down, you'll find a lot of AI character explaining a specific topic. For example, product marketing, sales outreach, learning and development, content marketing. If we more scroll down, you'll find AI avatar. As you can see, there is a various AI character. Um, so we can choose the one you want, and then you can use it for your content, for your AI character. So if you sign up, as I mentioned, by entering your email and verification code, and you will answer for a few questions, you click on sign up and it will lead you to this homepage. As you can see, this is my homepage, and I already have account, that's why you will get here recent creations. And the same thing for you guys if you start creating AI avatar. So here we have a lot of things that you can get information from. So for example, hygiene learning guide, there is a lot of or various information you can get here if you didn't understand. We have here AI studio, video avatar, AI voice, video translation, so we can get more information about one of these if you didn't understand one of them. So here we have templates, so you can choose the template you want. As you can see, various topics, various AI character, so you can choose which one you want and get started with it. And this is the avatar, so you can choose the avatar you want, and then you can get started. You can find it here too, so you can go to studio avatar, and then you can start creating content by selecting the AI avatar you want. So this is the AI character that we have, so you can choose which one you want. For example, let's select that one. As you can see, this is Kyla in shirt, So this is the description of the AI character. This three dot if you want to edit avatar, if you want to get avatar ID. This one if you want to create the video, so we can click on the landscape if you want to start with YouTube. There's a lot of options, so we can, for example, put it on the left, your AI character on the right or on the middle. You can also determine the size you want and the animation too, so we can add an effect on enter, add an effect on leave, and also if you want to add a script too, so you can edit the script you want and you can edit another one, and if you want to edit per section between these two scripts you can do it, so you can make it 3 seconds, maybe less, maybe more. And if you want to edit recording you can click to start, and if you want to add it or upload audio you can upload it. And if you want to or if you find difficulties on writing script you can just type the topic you want and GPT scriptwriter will help you to create one. And then you can also translate all scripts if you want to a specific language, so you can choose the language you want, and you can then click apply and the script will be translated to the language that you choose. And here we have the type of the voices, so you can find natural voice, explainer, ads, debugs, e-learning, narration, games. So you'll find a lot of um, voices, a lot of types, so you can select which one you want, which one suits you, and you'll find a lot of languages that you can choose for your voice. And the same thing for the gender, so I already choose the female AI character, so of course the voice will be female. Here we have the ages, so we can choose the age you want: child, youth voice, middle-aged voice, older voice, the function too, so you can edit or you can adjust your voice. It's depend on how you want it, so you can make your video more professional by editing your video. Using these options can help you too, so you can just click on submit and then your video will be ready to publish it on your YouTube channel. You can start as an affiliate marketing to earn money through platforms like impact.com offers affiliates flexibility in terms of how they promote products or services through or services allowing them to work independently. So by promoting products or services through affiliate partnerships, affiliates can earn commissions on sales through their referral links. And if you want to create also video guide like this one using an AI influencers can be an engaging and innovative way to educate your audience. So you can choose the specific topic you want and then you can start, and make sure just the language is clear and conscious, suitable for both your target audience and the AI influencer. So this is it for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again on the next video.